on today's signature drink, I'll be making my take on the old-fashioned, which is the ginger. Now, I love ginger on Giligan Island. I know everyone likes Marianne because she was sweet and like the girl next door, but I don't know. I kind of like that sexy movie star look, and I'm sure Thurston did too. In fact, my favorite was Tina Louise. Just something about her. Make sure to comment below on who you thought was the better ginger. So, what is it? Simply put, it is an old-fashioned with ginger ale. First, we're going to take a couple of brown sugar cubes. Again, we like her sweet. Sweet and sexy. All right, and we're going to go, instead of using Pellegrino, we're going to go ahead and put some ginger ale. Now you can use ginger beer if you like, your preference. Just a splash. Whoa, a little more than a splash, but that is okay. I'll just make a little bit more whiskey. Then we're gonna add our bitters. So we're gonna do a little bit of the aromatics and a little bit of orange. So really light on the aromatics. You don't want this to overpower it. So one of those little guys and a couple of the orange. 1, 2, 3. There's 3, not a couple. All right. Next, we're gonna go ahead and muddle this up. Guys, I love this gig. I get to drink on the job. All right, now I'm almost done with my Buffalo Trace. Again, perfect type of whiskey for mixing and neat. So we're gonna put about 2 ounces in there. Next, I need my ice cube. All right, now comes the cherry on top of the ginger. Just one. Don't need to be greedy. Now, the final piece to it, being the orange, is up to you. Some people like it, some people don't. I actually love the taste of the orange rind around the rim, so I'm just going to go ahead and just take a slice there. Not too thick. Got a little twist. Get that around. Stick that in there, and there we have it. The ginger. Cheers, guys. Delicious. All right, guys, thank you again for stopping by. I'm Joe the Baker, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Always love having new Whiskey Thieves joining our family. And hit us up on Instagram at Whiskey Thieves TV. Till next time, be good and be safe. Cheers. Cheers, Thurston. Gosh, damn, that's good. Oh, hey, what the? You don't know what's good. You just know what's good for him. All right, enough of this pansy-ass drink. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, General. It's your little drink now.